which are the different of the staples. Enjeka, it means for connection between the stomach and intestine, for gastrointestinal anastomosis. This one is for the operations on the lungs, but also can use for the intestinal, operation on the intestine. It is the stapler for stitching of the root of lung. Next, 3 instruments are the clamps. Crushing clamp and 2 elastic, straight and curved intestinal elastic clamps. These instruments are for the gastrointestinal tract. Next question, you must choose the instruments for the mechanical suture. Close the code. What does it mean, mechanical suture?
By the...
Yes, staplers. No, staplers also. It means these 2 instruments same for gastrointestinal connection and for the root of lung. Because they are like staples. Yes? And one more, third one. This apparatus is for this vessel stitching. To connect that vessels.
Large.
Okay.
This depends on the size of
Large and small.
No, this one can be changed. This part can be changed for the different diameter of the
Vessels.
Okay.
We can use from the 2 millimeter till the diameter of aorta.
Okay.
Different internal part can be changed for the different. That is why this one is, for example, for brachial, the diameter of the brachial artery. We connect together 2 parts, distal and proximal, and after that, just staple it together.
Okay.
By mechanical suture, without threads, without threads, not by hand, by special. Yes. Okay. The next 4 questions are about the common general group, general or common surgical instruments. 4 questions. First, you must choose the instruments for disconnection, for cutting. What are they?
For cutting,
Scalpel, knife, amputational knife, saw. For the disconnection, different types of them. Scissors. This one is, for example, the Cooper scissor. This one is combined scissors. Why? One branch sharp.
one branch.
And one is
blunt.
Yes, combined. This combine is curved, but for example, this one is straight. Different types of the instruments for cutting, for disconnection. After cutting, the bleeding starts. That is why next group is the instruments for stop bleeding, for hemostasis, for arrest bleeding. What are they? Forceps. Yes. For example, what is it? Teeth on the end. Cohers, straight cohers, forceps. Maybe curved, if the branches curved. Okay, without teeth in the end, it is
There. This one.
also.
That one.
Yes. This one?
Yeah.
Billy rod.
Without
Without teeth in the end.
Yeah.
Also can be straight or can be curved. And if the branches is very sharp in the end, they are mosquitoes.
Mosquitoes.
The mosquitoes for also can be for the arrest bleeding, for the hemostasis. After that, it is necessary to hold, to fix the tissues. That is our next group called the fixation. Fixation group or additional group. What are they? Yes, the hooks, the forceps. For example, this one is
It's
surgical.
surgical forceps.
Yes, surgical
Because it's curved end.
yes.
Yeah.
No, there is not curved because it has
Okay.
teeth in the end. Yes. For example, this one also. For example, this one is Anatomical.
Anatomical.
Because without
Without
Teeth.
yes. What is it?
Okay. Choose
A lot of teeth, like small hands.
yeah.
to remove or something.
No.
Spoon.
No, this one is Russian forceps. Yes, in English literature known as Russian forceps.
It's for
Also same.
For
No.
hemostats.
No,
No,
for fixing.
Fixation.
Oh, fixation.
Yes, for fixing. For example, for the fascias, for panevrosis, the tissues which are very hard.
yeah.
This can be used. Okay, in the last group, connection. For connection
Yeah.
tissue. What are they?
Needle.
Needle holder.
Needle holder. Needle.
Yes. Needles, different
Thread.
types. Threads. All for connection
Connection.
tissue. Understand me?
Yeah.
From these groups, all these groups, one instrument has own question. The position for the scalpel.
Scalpel.
Scalp, yeah.
To hold the scalpel different positions.
Yeah. Like violin bow,
The
pen.
first is
Pen.
pen-like.
Pen like.
Yes?
Yeah.
Too small but very careful cutting of the tissues.
Yeah.
Second is dinner knife position
Dinner knife.
Okay.
for the deep cutting, for deep incision. Because you can what? Press
Yeah.
the scalpel very hard.
Yeah.
Next is
For
for an
hold.
opposite one, thumb.
Violin bow.
Yes, violet, like the violin. Two, superficial but very long cutting of the tissue.
Yeah.
These three positions are main positions for the scalpel. And two additional, two extra positions.
Knife tape.
Yes,
Amputating
amputation
knife.
of when the thumb on the neck and the cutting part facing you.
Okay.
Because the knife for amputation also can be fixed in the position same, but for the holding of the scalpel we have the other position which is known as amputation of knife position for the scalpel. And the one more from additional position, the limited scalpel position, when we limited the length of the scalpel. For example, when it is necessary to cut only
Small
one
portion.
cm, only necessary.
Oh.
Necessary. For example, for the
So,
tracheostomy, it is very important to cut only anterior wall of trachea. That is why you must limit it the length of the scalpel to cutting only the anterior wall of the trachea. For the common group. And now the questions, one of the questions, not one, some questions you must choose the instruments for different, special instruments for different operations. One of them, trepanation of skull.
Yeah.
Two types of trepanation, osteoplastic and decompressive. Correct. Two types. That is why also two questions we have in the practical part. The first instruments for special instruments for osteoplastic, they are
Respiratory.
yes, Faraber's respiratory to separate the
To periosteum.
periosteum. After that, you must use the manual trepanator
Manual trepanation.
with the different types of the
screws.
burr, screw yeah, or burr, B-U-R,
Burr.
different types.
Trepanation.
For the osteoplastic, after separating the 5-6 points, then we use the and make the
Hole.
5-6 holes. Then we use the
Thread.
jiggly thread saw
Thread saw.
to cut the bone and open the flap of the. These instruments are for the osteoplastic. Second type is the decompressive or resectional. The first instrument same,
Respiratory.
second instrument same, but we must do only one hole, only one in center.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And after that we use the Dahlgren's bone cutter
Bone cutter.
to enlarge the
Hole.
hole, to enlarge, to resect. That is why resectional.
Yeah.
To resect the bone and enlarge the hole in the bones. Dahlgren's bone cutter. Okay, for trepanation. Next operation is resection of the rib. What does it mean, resection? The partial removal of the rib. The instruments which you need for subperiostealization are
Respirator.
straight Farabeuf's respiratory. Second,
Curved.
curved Farabeuf's respiratory. Doyen's rib respiratory. This instrument only for rib to separate the periosteum from internal surface.
Yeah.
From internal surface. And last one,
Cutter.
also
Rib cutter.
Doyen's rib cutter
cutter.
or rib scissors, because they are cut like scissors, special for the instruments. 4 instruments for resection of the rib. And last operation is tracheostomy. Special instruments for tracheostomy are one tooth sharp hook. The surgeon need to fix the trachea, because the trachea is very movable organ, and before cutting it is necessary to fix it, to fix by 2, and between it to cut the trachea it is necessary to cut it.
Okay.
Then before cutting we used, for example, the C-shaped lamina, also Farabeuf's hook, to what?
To
Not fix.
not to
What?
open that bone.
No, to the isthmus of the thyroid gland, to remove the.
Okay.
For superior tracheostomy, we remove the isthmus down, while for inferior tracheostomy, we remove it up.
Yeah.
And after that, we will cut the trachea, the anterior wall of the trachea. After cutting of the trachea, when we use I said for you,
Yeah. Especially.
special position for it, we use the tracheodilator. Trousseau's tracheodilator. Trousseau. Look, please. What's the difference between?
No,
It's
curved.
This for dilator.
Yes, to dilate.
And that's
When
for
we close the ring,
Yeah.
It's open.
the branches
open.
will open.
Open.
It's for the.
And in this time, when we open the trachea, we use the tube or cannula, Lewis cannula, to put inside the
Yeah.
inside the trachea. This is the
Cannula.
cannula, tracheostomic Lewis cannula. Yes. That's all for instruments, my friend.
So,
What is it?
Needle.
Puncture needle.
Puncture needle.
To puncture, for example,
Pleural cavity.
pneumothorax. Yes? Hydrothorax for pneumothorax, superior part. Hydrothorax for inferior part of thoracic cage. For valgus sympathetic blockage. For the puncture.
And
For
the
example,
lumbar
what is
puncture?
it?
This for also the puncture.
Yes, for puncture in
Puncture of the
English.
pleural.
But the correct name, synthesis.
Synthesis.
Thoracocentesis. If you use the trocar, the name of instrument is trocar.
Thoracocentesis.
The name of thoracocentesis, laparocentesis. When we use the trocar. Also with the trocar, not only to remove the fluid or pus maybe from, or maybe blood from thoracic, we also can use the instruments for endoscopy.
Endoscopy.
Through this tube,
Laparoscopy.
we can put and make the laparoscopic or endoscopic operation.
Okay.
Understand me?
Yeah.
For example, this is the scissors for the endoscopic operation. Like this. We can use it.
Yeah.
We have here the scissors for laparoscopy, for endoscopic operation, and also the
For forceps. For
forceps. We have the lock.
okay.
When we close the vessel, for example, we lock it, and that's all. You can't open it. If you will open it,
Then
you can.
Okay.
That's all for instruments.